So in the OCC Welding Program, students can earn their welding and cutting certificate in the first year. The second year is the Welding and Fabrication Associate's degree.
This program, it's going to be way better than anything else you're going to find. The instructors are so much better. You're going to get more hands-on experience.
Students will never be waiting on metal to cut or something to be ready. How much they weld and how much they learn is dependent on them. Nothing in this facility will hold them back.
They have excellent job placement, so once you're out, you're going to for sure get a job somewhere, and that's another great thing about it.